So basically, oxidation number is when basically it's a charge on an atom.
Mm.
Obviously, when there is a charge on an atom, it becomes an ion, whether it is a cation or an anion. When
Yeah.
something is having a positive charge, it's called cation, and when something is having a negative charge, it's called anion. So oxidation number can be positive. You would see sometime iron is having +2 charge. You would see sometime chlorine is having -1 charge. They may be negative and positive. This is called oxidation number. Okay. And also you can see that it can be in fraction. It can be in fraction. Remember, it can be in fraction. So like let's suppose in H2O2, in H2O2, oxidation number for oxygen is -1. And in this K2O, the oxidation number for oxygen is half. It can be in fraction, it can be negative, it can be positive. So
Wait,
this is
sir,
called oxidation number. Yes?
I don't quite understand. Sorry.
Okay. Uh, Basically, I'm going to tell you what is the difference between oxidation number and the valency. Okay,
Okay.
I'm not going in deep because it's not the part of syllabus. Just you need to know that what are the few differences between oxidation number and the valency, because we have to write down the chemical formula.
Okay.
So, let's suppose in the periodic table we have different groups: group 1, then group 2, then group 3, then group 4, then group 5, 6, 7, 8. The valency for group 1 is 1, the valency for group 2 is 2, then 3, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These are the valencies. If
Okay.
you can notice, I didn't write any charge, whether they are positive, whether they are negative. I didn't write any mention any type of charge,
Yeah.
because this is called the valency, it's a combining capacity of an element. Let's suppose if I ask, can you tell me the formula for water? Can you tell me the formula for water? Obviously you would say H2O. Am I right?
Yeah.
If I am going to draw the structure for this water, so I would be drawing just like that: O, then H, then H.
Yeah.
Or you can also draw OH and then OH
Yeah.
and then OH. Like you have one oxygen and two hydrogens. You have one oxygen and two hydrogen. So you can check oxygen is in group 6.
Mm.
Oxygen is in group 6 in the periodic table.
Yes.
And what is the valency for group 6? You would say 2. So I can say the combining capacity for an oxygen is 2. This
Oh.
is the reason oxygen is going to make two bonds with another elements.
Oh.
Always, oxygen is going to make two bonds with other elements. And what is the group number for hydrogen? You would say 1. So if the group number is 1, so the valency is 1.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
so the capacity for hydrogen to combine with someone else is 1. That's why this is the reason hydrogen is having one bond, one
Okay.
bond, one bond, and then one bond.
Okay.
So valency would tell you the combining capacity. Not only this, if you can remember, if you remember the formula for methane, that was CH4. So CH4 means that carbon is having four single covalent bonds. What does it mean? It means that carbon is in group 4 of the periodic table. So the valency for group 4 is 4. Okay, the valency for group 4 is 4. So the combining capacity for the carbon is 4. It means that carbon can make 4 bonds. Carbon can attach with 4 other elements. That's why this is the reason the formula is CH4. Carbon is bonded with 4 hydrogen atoms. So the maximum capacity for hydrogen is that it can combine with the 4 different elements.
Okay.
Okay, that's called the valency. So on the basis of the valency, we generally write down the chemical formula. We generally write down the chemical formula. Let's suppose, uh, you can take a screenshot of this. Then I'm going to tell you how to write down the chemical formula. Valency and the group number. Valency and the group number.
Should I take a screenshot now?
Yes.
Okay, done.
See this. Aluminium oxide. First of all, what is the symbol for aluminium? Al. I'm right. Am I right?
Yes.
And what is the symbol for oxygen? O.
Oh,
Can you tell me the group number for aluminium and also tell me the valency for aluminium?
one sec. So aluminium is in group 5. Wait, no. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, it's in group 3.
Okay,
And the valency for group 3 elements would be 3.
good.
Okay, so it will be Al. And oxygen, oh, sorry, oxygen is in group 6. Oh, no, yeah, group 5. 1, 2, 3. It's in group 6. Okay. And
Okay,
the valency for group 6 is valency for group 6 is 2.
2.
So it will be Al₂O₃.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the formula is Al2O3. Am I right?
Yes.
In this way, by the use of valency, we can write down the formula of any compound. Let's suppose I'm asking what is the chemical formula for magnesium oxide. What do you think?
So magnesium and oxygen. Magnesium is in group 2, oxygen is in group 6. So it will be Mg2O2. Wait. Oh, they cancel out.
So what is the valency?
Oh, the valency were. Okay, so if magnesium is in group 2 and oxygen is in group 6, and they both have valency of 2, so it's Mg2O2.
Mg2O2. So why don't you cancel the same
Okay,
number?
yeah, they cancel out. So it'll be MgO.
So finally the formula is
MgO.
okay. Sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. The symbol for sodium is Na and oxide is oxygen, obviously.
So sodium is in group 1 and oxygen is in 2. So it will be Na2O. It'll be Na and then 2O.
What is the valency for Na
1,
and oxygen?
2.
So I would write Mg2O.
Na2O. No Mg. Because it's sodium.
Na2O.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. And uh, yes. This is your potassium carbonate, okay? This is your potassium carbonate in which you can see the compound ion. So you must know about this. You must know about this. Let's suppose generally you would see frequently this is called sulfate, that is SO4 2 minus.
Mm-hmm.
Nitrate is NO3 minus. Then hydroxide is OH minus. Then phosphate PO4. Carbonate is CO3 2 minus. Okay, so now see this. Sodium, let's suppose sodium sulfate. As you know that sodium is Na and the sulfate is SO4. What is the charge on sulfate?
Na2SO4. What is the charge on sulfate? It will be SO4 2 minus.
Okay. So what should be the chemical formula? Like what should be the number in the subscript?
Na2SO4.
Exactly. Na2SO4. Yes. Good, 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 good. And then yes,
Um,
magnesium phosphate.
okay, so magnesium phosphate would be Mg3PO4. Oh wait, no. It would be Mg3. No, wait. Yeah, Mg3PO2 or 6. Wait, no, I'm not sure.
This is your phosphate, right?
Yes, but magnesium is in group 2, so it has valency of 2 as well. Mg3PO6. I think it's Mg3PO6, but I'm not sure. Because we need to swap the valencies.
Should I tell you?
Yeah.
MgPO4. The valency for magnesium is 2 and the valency for phosphate is 3.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to cross multiply it. I would be getting Mg3PO4 2.
Yeah. Oh, I.
Exactly. You have to draw the bracket basically, you know.
Okay.
So this is called magnesium phosphate. Can you tell me aluminium? Aluminium sulfate.
Okay. Um, Al2SO4 in brackets, and then aluminum is in group. It is in group 3. So it will be Al
Hmm.
Al2
Hmm.
brackets SO4 bracket, close the bracket, and then it will be on the outside, it will be 3.
3.
Yeah. Al2SO4 3 with brackets.
Okay.
Yeah. No, 3 in the bracket, outside the bracket.
Okay. And what if I have aluminium phosphate?
Uh, would it cancel out? Because phosphate would be 3 as well. So does it cancel out?
Yes, exactly. Aluminium is 3, phosphate is 3. They're going to cancel. So the remaining one is AlPO4.
Yeah.
In this way, you can write down the chemical formula if you know the valency. But if you don't know the valency, obviously the periodic table would be providing to you in your exam, so you can see the group number, you can see the period number, and then you can decide that what is the valency. If you know the valency, means that you know the ability of an element to combine with someone else. Let's suppose the ability for carbon is 4, ability for oxygen is 2. So in this way you can write down the chemical formula of any compound.
Oh,
So okay. uh Can you tell me lithium bromide and barium chloride? Can you tell me the formula? Okay,
um,
barium iodide. Yes.
lithium bromide, barium iodide. So lithium is Li, it's in group 1. And bromine is in group 7. It should be Li7Br.
Okay. Li7Br.
Oh wait, no, never mind, sorry. It is where's my it is in group 7, so it'll have a valency of 1, it'll just be LiBr. They both want to
It's
cancel out
lithium
Br.
bromide, Br. That's it. Because lithium is in group 1, so the valency is 1. Bromine is in group 7, so the valency is 1. Both are 1 1. That's why I'm going to write only LiBr. Okay, it's very
Okay,
easy.
okay.
And then barium iodide.
Barium. Barium is in group 2. Iodine is in group 7. So it'll be BaI2
BaI2. Why I2?
because barium's valency is 2 because it's in group 2. They swap, and then
Exactly. क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है. Good हो गया, good हो गया, good हो गया. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So basically the chemical formula, it depends on the valency, right?
yeah,
And also we have, you can say, calcium nitrate. Can you tell me the formula for calcium nitrate?
or calcium nitrate. So calcium is in group 2, has valency of 2, and nitrate is nitric acid. So it will be what's nitrate again? And hmm,
Calcium nitrate is NO3. Valency for calcium is
yeah,
2.
yeah,
Exactly. So that's why I would be writing this
CaNO3. Yes,
taken twice, right?
yeah,
So this is how we can write down the chemical formula of any compound. Remember, any compound. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And also, uh, can you tell me like iron, iron 3 oxide,
Mm,
iron 3 oxide.
uh, not sure what you mean.
Iron 3 means the charge is 3. You are not supposed to look at the periodic table for iron. Iron, they have given you the charge, that is 3. So means that whenever you are going to write iron oxide, that means that Fe solid and oxygen gas. Fe solid and oxygen gas. Since you know the charge for group number is 3, the charge for the charge for this
Yeah.
iron of the group number, like you can say the charge of iron is 3. So means that this is 3. Oxygen is present in group 6, so that's why the valency is 2. So I can write
2O3.
Fe2O3. So
Yeah.
in Roman, they would be providing you the charge. Sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5, depends. So by the way, I gave you the concept that how to write down the chemical formula of any compound. So the one and only thing that we need, this is the mandatory thing, that you need to know the valency. If you don't know the valency, you would not be able to write down the chemical formula of any compound. Am I right? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So, and also, you can see this.